How to turn off shuffle play on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then turn off shuffle play on Spotify. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Spotify app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Spotify app, now I basically want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, you can obviously see this is how it's going to look like. Now what you're trying basically means that, let's say you open up a random song from a playlist over here. So if I just go ahead and then open up a song, and if I play a song, and by the end of this song, instead of playing the next song directly after that, it will play any of the random songs from the playlist. And why this happens is because the shuffle feature is basically turned on, which means that in order to turn it off, you would simply need to upgrade to premium. I basically had a premium account a few days ago, but it just got expired and I cancelled my membership as well. But if you had the premium account, you'll be able to see the shuffle icon somewhere over here. If you don't believe me, then I can also show you to the premium feature over here. If I go to premium section, and if I look some of the features at premium, you can see Spotify premium says that the free version only allows you to play in shuffle, and the premium version allows you to play any song, which means you can turn off shuffle and play in a normal order. But this is what Spotify has been clearly telling us, to simply upgrade to Spotify premium, because in the free version, no matter where you look at, you will simply not be able to turn off the shuffle play feature. At least this video helped you get some insights about why this was currently happening and some of the possible solutions to it. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.